Today I'm going to be showing you how to measure your nails. You're going to need a ruler or a tape measure, paper, pen, and tape. So first, on the note card or the piece of paper, you're going to write down your fingers from your thumb to your pinky. Next, take a piece of tape and wrap that around your fingernail. Make sure that the tape is laying flat as possible on your finger, and make sure that it gets into the corners of your nail. Then, with a pen or a marker, mark off the widest part of your nail, which is usually the corners. Take off the tape and lay it flat on the paper. Now you're going to take a ruler or a tape measure and measure it in millimeters. So 13 to 14, 10 millimeters, plus a few more. My thumb is 16 millimeters. I'm going to show you how to do it with a tape measure. You're going to wrap the tape measure around the widest part of your nail. Sorry you can't see, but I'm counting here. I'm counting my index finger in millimeters, remember, and it comes out to 13 millimeters. Now you're going to do that for all of your nails. If maybe one of your nails on your other hand seems to be a bit bigger or smaller, remember to record that as well.